Myntri Sarkar ba peit yakatnat Public Health Engineering uba renik ton lingdo tongkhar blopan pau ba usngoi hap jingmut bat ka jingmi jyndat Myntri khna ka Sarkar kme badi peit yakatnat Jal Shakti ba Travel Affairs Vishwar tudu namar bo kwa yak copy jong ka presentation ban budien ba ka bai dei bat ka jingpatri kam ik scheme da ka Sarkar jela. Habai keren bat kilap thai kubor uba renik ton lingdo tongkhar blong hadien ka jingmi jyndat Myntri khna ka Sarkar kme na ka jelang ban phai dien ik scheme ba ai ka squad kme ka balong ha state convention center ula pentip bahate ka ju ka chanmi ulai kundu yo bishwar bat uklam pen pau setia ya ka jingdom hendai ulo suong bo kwa e copy jong ka presentation da ka ba ong bala da supai tang na ka presentation klem de yo e copy kalong ka mapei tv bat kan sem sitom yu ban kan maulud ya ka jing patai.
I think you see, because he has not seen much about the progress, hardly if he go to site also hardly one side. So about the expression that he expressed that he is not happy is that at the time when the officer are trying to give him the PowerPoint presentation, they have not prepared the hard copy for him. For I also agree that yes, he is right to question. So he sent them back. He said, then you go and come back because I need a hard copy. So you see, there was a saying that the first impression is the last impression. So maybe only for that reason that he is not happy, because of that they have not prepared the hard copy of the PowerPoint presentation to him. I met him on the same day in the evening time. He didn't express anything to me that he is not happy, but he told me that yes, I need hard copy because if you explain to me on a PowerPoint presentation, I will see now like in TV, and then I will forget after some time. So he said I need to carry with me the report on my hand. I agree with him on that. He really did. So maybe only that reason. Otherwise, I don't see that he have a major thing that he is not happy. He had not expressed to me that he is not happy. And also, as you know, that we have got performance award 2 times. So the report from the central government, it shows that they are happy with our performance. Otherwise, how can we get performance award? Yeah, about that, you see, because the work is in progress. So of course, I agree with you that there may be some scheme that need rectification. That always is there. Even changing, even sometime, even changing of source also it happens sometime when at the when the officers and the VWSC, they identify the source and later on they found a better one. So of course we want that as long as the work is in progress, any scope to change for the betterment of the scheme, they should do that.